I have a customer that lost their keys on a 2021 Nissan Rogue. I have their 2 keys here. About to start the programming. I'll be back with a part 2 once I get the keys programmed to the system. I already cut one key, cutting the other key, and it does work. All right, another successful job. Also, I've already programmed the key. Program made them 2 keys. They lost all their keys. And the other key, like I said, the key is getting made. All right, another successful job, 2021 Nissan Rogue. If y'all need some keys made, give me a call, 912-801-2963.